This is the moment that you've all already seen in the short version, but in fact, the story has a completely different approach than you would have thought, but for that, we have to go back in time a little. Meet Brian 636. In the world of motorcycle vlogging, he's a household name known for pure chaos and incredible skill. Normally tearing up the streets of Chicago, today Brian is in Los Angeles for one of the biggest events in the stunt community, the Ride of the Legends. But he's not on a shiny new machine. He's riding his legendary OG 636, a Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R that has survived over 73,000 miles of absolute abuse. This bike is a workhorse, a high-mileage beast that has seen thousands of wheelies and redline shifts. But as the sun goes down in LA, Brian is about to find out exactly what happens when you push a 73,000-mile engine to its absolute breaking point.
Water! Or the gas!
Under the tank.
The gas!
Here Brian runs a red light to take his burning motorcycle to a gas station to find something to make sure the fire's extinguished. It doesn't seem like a good decision at all, but when adrenaline is at its peak, who am I to judge?
Do you have a fire extinguisher? Fire extinguisher!
After grabbing the fire extinguisher and his adrenaline levels dropping, he decides that the extinguisher may do more harm than good, given that the fire probably started from an electrical cable. So what was the root cause? Brian finally takes the fairings off and finds a total electrical disaster. These are his stator wires. Constant high RPM stunts and old insulation have turned his wiring into a veritable fuse. It wasn't a mechanical failure. The bike was literally trying to erase itself from the inside out.